I'm just going to go through the 5 vital health checks that you can use as a pet professional or a pet owner in case of emergency. First one being, we're going to check her pulse. So the best place to feel the dog's pulse is just inside of the stifle, inside the femur bone for the femoral artery. It's best to use your 2 fingers rather than your own thumb. You will get your own heartbeat. So just rolling around from inside that hind leg to find our pulse. You also want to check the respiration. So to do this, you're going to place your hands on the dog's chest to feel the rise and fall cycle of the dog. Each rise and fall counts as 1 breath. The other thing that you can do is check the body temperature of the dog using a rectal thermometer. The digital ones are good. So to do this, you're only going to be inserting the silver bit. If you can lubricate the rectal thermometer, the dog will appreciate it if you've got Vaseline on hand. With the digital ones, it's simply a matter of pressing the button, inserting the thermometer until you get your body temperature reading. Normal body temperature for your dog is 38.1 to 39.2 degrees. We can also check our hydration levels. To do this, we want to feel inside the dog's gum. If they feel dry or sticky, they may be dehydrated. The other way that you can do this is simply pinching a bit of skin and letting go and seeing how quickly that skin snaps back once released. And finally, the last thing that we're going to do is check her capillary refill time. So to do this, what we are going to do is lift up the dog's gums, press firmly onto the dog's gums and release. You want that colour to come back to the dog's gum in 2 seconds or less. When you have an emergency situation, before rushing to the rescue, you want to ensure that your safety is your first priority. You cannot help the dog if you are bitten, for example, or your safety is at risk. An injured dog may be in pain and may actually retaliate to being handled as a pain response. So you may have to muzzle a dog in these emergency situations. I stress that you're no help to the dog if you are injured yourself. So think before rushing to the rescue, safety first.